In the summer of June 1955, there were two fires. The site basically lay vacant, undeveloped until the middle 1960s. For some reason, the developers came along and they bought that church and they demolished it, but they created themselves a site from there right through to there. And this is the site you see today, i.e. it's been empty since the late 60s.
Really interesting in it is about you finding the stories in the community associated with that site. Over the years, as the technology, smartphones, apps, laptops have got more accessible, it means that we can start to work within the community. We can work on site, we can work in cafes, we can work in bars, we can work alongside the community that we're designing for. And really, that's what our contribution today is about you guys. To find the stories, to involve yourself with the community, go and have a coffee or a cup of tea next to that site, and use that to maybe kind of inform the spaces and the structures that you're designing for. So it's about nomadic working, user-centric innovation, and it's about working quickly. So what's really exciting about today, and next 2 years, is that there's lots of different media that you can use to communicate your story. So that can be in the digital realm, cardboard and masking tape for you, so we want you to actually physically build your cardboard and sketch in 3D. The good thing about what I was saying earlier is that if you're sketching in 3D and you're out in the public, people are much more likely to come over to you and ask you what you're doing. You know, you can cut things with scalpels, you can maybe photograph, maybe use part of that for your final presentation. We want you to stay at the studio as much as you can and work in the city and in the community. So, what are the deliverables going to be for us? Well, there's going to be sketch cardboard models, which they must have a scale figure, okay? Presentation drawing, how you want to do these. So let your personality show through. If you're walking through the site and you see a bus ticket and you sketch a little idea on that, we want to see that bus ticket with a sketch on it. It's no hotel and no holiday apartment, okay? That's the only rule we're giving you. Vampire hair salon. Well, the biggest thing about a vampire hair salon is to have no reflection. Okay, so you've got to think about that. You know, what time do they keep? So you could take that hue there, and maybe the space that you're designing for has to open at night time. If it opens at night time, what are the considerations you've got to take in?
Getting a hair salon for vampires. So, as we know, vampires gonna get wake at night, so they don't see direct light, so they have to be hidden as well from people. So we have a side dress there, made from rooms and like really a steep side. So we're gonna get a hair salon in the middle, like from the old rooms, something that will get open overnight. We tried as well to keep the architectural style from like the old church next to each other.
Our concept is that to reveal the unicorns that are evident in all of the architecture and all the spaces of Edinburgh, the sphere, the stones, and the society. We have a unicorn horn that actually doubles as a viewfinder.
You guys didn't design a building, you designed a way of interacting with a space. which I think is lovely and a great way to think about this project.
Our team was composed of two teams that at the first phase of the project we were given the program or the brief to design a dragon's runway for one of the teams, and the other one was safe graveyard. On second phase we were supposed to come in as one team and define our user, and in order to do that we went through a series of outreach with people in the community, including
It's a wonderful place and it's got the heritage and the culture. There's parts of it that are run down. But apart from that, it will exist on its culture and history.
I think area for people to kind of congregate as a like either food markets or kind of like a venue for music or for gigs. They're either quite small or they're in the city and they're large.